here with Paramount Property Investments. This is Tony Blackman. I just wanted to drop in with you guys and let you know we're out in the field. Me and my client partner, we just closed on the property yesterday, and we're out in the field again, looking to get at least one more property closed on before the year's end. So currently in a 2-bed, 1-bath. Cape Cod was more of a bungalow than a Cape Cod. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath. It's pretty much turnkey. Could be a rental. So we're just wrapping up, previewing this property. Just wanted to let you know we're actively looking for homes, preferably in the Akron area. We love the Chapel Hill area. So if you have a house that you want to sell in Summit County, Stark County, or in all surrounding suburbs, definitely keep us in mind. If you want to get some more information on us, visit www.investparamount.com, or you can just contact me directly, 330-685-2220. We don't charge any real estate commission fees. We can buy in as-is condition, and we pay cash, meaning that we don't have to wait for any bank underwriting. We don't have to get pre-approved or anything, deal with banks. So we can close relatively fast, 2.5 to 3.5 weeks. So if that's something you might be interested in, call me. Talk to you later.